guys, welcome back to Ellen Beauty. I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a long time. I hope you guys have been having a great summer. I'm really disappointed that it's ending soon though. Don't worry, I'm not stopping my channel yet. I'm gonna post way more videos when school is starting. Today we are gonna be talking about Mia Beauty cloth covered jaw clamps. Mia Beauty was the first people to put cloth on jaw clamps. So what I'm showing you right now is a regular old jaw clamp with a spring. It's just a plain, boring, regular old jaw clamp with a spring. It's boring, brown. So you need something pop. You need something that's colorful. You need something that's prettier. Well, Mia Beauty cloth covered jaw clamps are the thing you need. They have many different prints. They have leopard. The leopard comes in gray, brown, and purple. This is like a mystical design. This is the polka dotted ones, which are my favorite. It comes in peach, in brown. The peach one I have in my hair right now because it matches my dress. And they can be used in many different hairstyles. So I'm going to show you two hairstyles. In probably my next video, I'm going to show you the last one because I need to learn how to do that hairstyle. So first I'm going to do a waterfall with this pink one. So first you have to make the hair even. Take two pieces of hair, not all the hair, but just a little bit. And you bring it back, bring it together. There you go. There we go. There is a waterfall, pretty simple. I'm going to show it to you guys this way. There we go. Now I'm going to show you guys a quick ponytail, which is going to be the more simple one. It's going to be easier. So let's take all the hair back. If the hair is too big, then sometimes I twist it so I can get it to scrunch up, more even. Okay, and there we go. That's the ponytail. Oops. And that's the ponytail. Thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment down below saying I subscribed if you subscribed. In next video, I will give you a shout out. Almost every week we'll now give shout outs to whoever subscribes to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!